Hello viewers, I hope you all will be fine today. I am here with a new video named Screw Protocol. The best project ever I have seen so far. We will be talking about in this regarding video about the token sales, their roadmap, the media outlets, having contact, how can you contact through them and which they are hearing. Everything in this video we will be talking about the main points, the sale price and the private sale round 3 and everything in this video, that what is Screw Protocol and what are the main aims of the project and what it is about. Here is the website screwprotocol.app. You can just click your PC or anything else and you can watch it on your PC, laptop or computer. So here everything you can purchase token from there by clicking on this and it will be open in the tab like this. As your seed funding is like that and opening for you, because the token private sale token will be that much, having a price of $0.035. The deposited address will be that, and address can accept the Ethereum, the USDT, the BNB and BUSD. All of these four are accepted by the address, so everything is written here, the Ethereum and etc. all of these four things. And the four coins, the basic coins, as you know, all know about the Ethereum and BNB etc., but the crypto payment instruction is also there, and the ICO public sale etc., because 12 days 6 hours and 9 minutes, that much seconds is for here, and still the private sale will be earning over the thread, and you can buy it with credit card etc., and these credit card investment etc., and $500 investment having 10% of the token bonus for the investment, as 500 will be $1,000. From 500 to $1,000 it will be available for you as well. So we will be talking about the Screw Protocol more in this video, that you can purchase token from there and buy, having a private sale round 3 price ends in that much days, 12 days and 6 hours. So be a part of it. You have to join it as fast as you can if you wanna make some earning and get some profit. Investor deck you can see from here, and all of their social media links are there: Telegram, Twitter, Facebook and Instagram, YouTube. Every link is here. You can join all of these and follow all of these here if you want to make some earning and want to earn a get profit. Project funding platform with investor control payout. As I had already told you that this project will give you much benefit, much profit in the future and now as well. So because it is a contribution blockchain, whenever there is a blockchain word, you have to refer it to the web, that it can give you much profit in the future, because everything now crypto and other platforms will give you much benefit like funds. So you can watch their video from there and click on this, and you know what is Screw Protocol. We have to talking about in this video that what is Screw Protocol. In addition, the Screw health funds etc., all of these like through blockchain interference, guaranteeing transparency, more of the situation like 12 to 25% APY, everything is their appreciation of funds, their maturity like that. Even when you are going to make it happen, this will be available for you and everything you can utilize. The token use case will be governance is also there, and it will be fund blocking etc., which will increase your profit, and the NFT minting, everything is there, because whenever you are going to NFT mint, like other users ID and the cards for their contractual data, like vesting periods, everything will happen for you and will give you much profit in the future as well. So funding opportunities will be you for sticking Screw is also available for you for some periods like that, and you can also be a part of this. So be a part of it as soon as it is available for you, because everything is mentioned there, and the future on it will be featured on the coming soon. Then Benzinga and Screw Protocol, Business Insider, like CoinMarketCap and Yahoo Finance, everything like that you have to follow as soon as possible. Watch this video on their YouTube, and the Screw Protocol will give you much benefit in the future as well as now. So a Screw Protocol platform is here, while Hell in a Screw will locate funds that they are yielding, farming etc., protocols, everything, payout, giving many things to the users, and they want to make beneficial and other aspects of the stable coin like that, yield farming protocol. Other coins you can see in the previous videos I had made about this. The token distribution will be that much, having bond is 2%, the team will get 10%, public scale will be 75%, as well as community rewards will be 10%, having a reserves of 1%. All of these funds allocation are there because the funds are held with the Screw protocol. Even the investors have to invest in this, and they are also farming. Having the fund allocation will be talking about in this video that community growth will be 45% and the project development will have to be 35%. License and legal other things will be like 5% or 15% will be given to all of these. So here is the token sale information that the ICO sale is facilitated by on the BSC. As you know about the BSC, Binance Smart Chain and other crypto cross chain application like that, C funding will be that much having sold at this price token, and the private sale round 1 is that much having. This is the third round, as you can see it in this video. You can participate in the opportunity because the buy token will be that much 12 days remaining for you. So be a part. Exchange listing will be that much, and having the BitHub global and everything like that. 20 exchange minimum top 20 ranking exchange are here. So token distribution will be company reserve will be 1%, bonds will be 2%, as I had already tell you in the upper case, and the roadmap will be that Polygon network matic like that. They are to be they already launched, and SEO launching will be there Q4 2021 and Q4 2021, etc. Q1 2022. All of these will happen in the project on Launchpad, and the start of the token bonus having these things, crowdfunding platform, all of these. See full roadmap if you want to see. Click on this by seeing the full roadmap. So here is their core team, the best ever team I have seen so far. They are really hardworking and work for their team. Gene Cloud, you can see them. This is CFO and regulatory compliance advisor, and there are two, the CEO and market expansion. All of these like Andrew Reyes, marketing and CEO expert. All of these Marina Silva, the specialty lawyer and legal advisor. All of these are very hardworking and work for their team, and you can see all of these because the B Proto and these things like that. This is the ethical, organized and suitable like Screw protocol. All of these, as I had told you in the previous video, you read all news about them. You can contact as you want from this website, as this is written here, their Gmail, etc. Join them on Telegram, put your email name and your message and submit it to the right here, and you can just watch. If you have any problem regarding the Screw protocol project, you can just watch him and join their social media links here if you want to join it. Thank you for today's video. Screw protocol is the best ever project I have seen so far. We will be working on it as we are on the right age, and that much days be a part of the private sale. Round 3 pricing ends in 12 days. So thank you for today's video. We will be meet in the next one. Screw protocol is the best project. Thank you so much.